Hello everyone, Namaskar. This is Mohina Kumari Singh and I have been a part of DID season 3 and I was a finalist, and also Jhalak Dikhla Ja. I've done 3 seasons, one season with Karan Wahi, the second one with Siddharth Shukla, Shiv of Balika Vadhu, and the third season with Purab Kohli. And also I have been a part of ABCD, the first one. And now I'm a part of D3 Dil Dosti Dance, which is on Channel V, and my character name is Sara, and I'm playing the lead with Amar.
So what kind of work you are looking forward, and the brands that you would like to get associated with, or kind of brands?
I have a love for reality shows, and I'm okay with doing anything that's challenging, anything that's creative, always. Also, now that I've started acting, I would like to go forward in acting, whatever it may be. It could be, television, it could be films, characters, leads, whatever it is. Acting is something which I want to take forward right now. और साथ साथ dancing तो हमेशा से ही है, तो I would always take up anything that comes in front of me which requires me to dance. So yeah, these 3 things: acting, creativity and dancing combined, I would take up anything. When it comes to brands, the kind of brands that I would want to be associated with would be anything to do with fashion, with cosmetics, with sports, with health, even something to do with public service. I think I'd be interested, like I would want to do something. So yeah.
So any special message for your fans who have been connected to you from a very long time?
Well, I just want to say thank you to all my fans who've been with me since my DID days. फिर अभी तक मेरी जर्नी में मेरे साथ है, from DID to Jhalak, from Jhalak to ABCD, and then ABCD to D3 now. It's great to know कि आप लोग अभी भी मुझसे connected हो and you all want to stay in touch with me. So now is a chance to get connected with me even more, and hopefully more and more people I can connect to, talk to, and this association goes on forever and ever. So thank you so much. Hello everyone, Namaskar. This is Mohina Kumari Singh, and I am officially a part of Bombay Buzzer, associated and connected with the agency. So anyone who wants to invite me for appearances, shows, any kind of events, television, anything, please contact Bombay Buzzer.